works. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another tutorial, but this time it's a little bit different. So on Instagram I posted a cover of me doing my self-choreo on Kiss&Makeup by Lipa and Blackpink. And so on Instagram I asked you guys if you guys wanted a tutorial and you guys said yes, and here we are. So if you guys do decide to cover this on Instagram, make sure you guys tag me at felicia.covers. And I decided, I honestly am so bad with like hashtags. There's nothing cool I can do with my name. So I'm gonna do hashtag Felicia's choreo. And then I'm also gonna do another hashtag just for this specific song. So Felicia Kiss&Makeup. So the spelling of Kiss&Makeup is a little bit different. So check that in the description box below. So make sure you guys use those hashtags and don't forget to tag me in them as well to ensure that I am able to see it. Before we get started, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get going. So first, for Kiss&Makeup, we are going to start with I. She says I a lot of time. So the first, we are gonna step with our right foot, and we're gonna step a small step and then a larger step. So for this part, we're gonna slowly bring our hands up and up our chest. So it goes small right, big right, small left, big left. So for the footworking, it's more of like a small and a really kind of just move your hips into it. So you kind of have that little like motion and going instead of just looking like you just took this huge step. So again, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, after you take your small left, big left, then you're gonna step out with your right foot and then have this stance, and then we're gonna turn and spin our head clockwise. Yes, so from right to left. So we're gonna go turn here. Again, from the top, we're gonna go small right, small left, big left, and hit like this. So once we're here, we just hit. It says feel like we're about to break up. So we go here, feel like we're about to. So my hips are a little bit slanted to my weights on my left. When we say break up, I take my arms, we go right, cross, left. Notice how I'm a little bit lower on my right and then I come back up on my left. So we go break up. Now after this step, I take my left hand and I kind of just like roll like this. It's not a huge move, but I think it's important. It's just like a small detail. We go like this, but at the simultaneously, our other hand is gonna come swirl, swirl. So if you want to know the exact direction, I'm going counterclockwise. So left to right. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. And so with the footwork, it's just a small right, small left. 2 small hits, 2 small steps, I should say, on each side. So we're bringing it 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we step here out again, but this time my hips are going to be on my right side. Give a little bit more weight onto my right leg. And then Lisa says, just want to Kiss&Makeup one last time. So we're gonna bring our right arm over, covering our lips kind of. It's just like a little slide over our mouths. So again, we're gonna come here. Now with our hips, this one has a lot of hip movement. We're on our right with weight on our right side. Then when she says make up, it's gonna be left, right. Again, just like the previous move, it was right to left. Now it's gonna be left to right. So I'm coming down, left, lower, left, right. So in complete, it's gonna be here, here. So I'm going to start back up from here where we just did the roll. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, step, kind of lean, and make up. So we just did the makeup, and now we're gonna take our left hand and gonna do one, so we're gonna go one last time. So we're gonna hit again, so just wanna kiss and make up one last time. So I'm gonna start back up with the top and then we'll keep adding on. So from the top, we go small right, big right, small left, big left, and roll here. Don't feel like we're about to break up. Now let's take 2 steps. Now you're left and lean to the right and kiss and make up one last time. Now we're gonna move on. So we're gonna start with the one last time because on the time is a little bit different movement. So here we just did one last time. So for the time we're gonna be time. We're gonna step with our right foot. And then it's sort of, I got this inspiration by the La Ta Ta dance. So those of you who did say this looks a little bit like La Ta Ta, you're absolutely right. So I'm gonna take my left arm, we're gonna step with our right, and we're gonna roll it clockwise and hit it across our body. So again, we're gonna go one last and lift up with your right foot, and we're gonna go hit across. Now, the next step is gonna be with 2 arms. Now, we're gonna step back with our right, bring our left foot forward. Now, I'm going counterclockwise with my arms and hit on the left side. Now, my right arm is crossing my body, my left arm is a little bit higher. So again, let's go with one last time. We go one last and time and hit. So again, we go one last time and hit. Now we're gonna bring our left foot back, step out with our right foot, and now we're gonna bring our hands together. So they're not like exactly like length like this, they're more just kind of side by side next to each other. So we're gonna do 3 hits. It's left, top right, bottom right. So it says touch no bud. So she meant to say body, but the last beat of body, we're gonna do a different move. So it's here, we just came around and hit. Now we bring it back, left foot, bring our right foot out, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next step, we're gonna do this really quick 3 hits. We're like punching to the ground, but it's like a 1, 2, 3. Notice on the 3rd beat, my left leg comes up. So we just come from 1, 2, 3, and you go 1, 2, 3. This automatically pops up. So let's start from time. Again, we just came 1, and here, now we touch nobody and bring it out, but I'm not going to hit it out just yet. It's gonna kind of like a wave, just be soft and a little smooth around here. So we're gonna hit on put with our right arm, then your hands are going to hit out here. On the words that it hits, again, we just went no, ba. So we just touch nobody and hit, put your hands up. So when I hit out here and I do a little small spin inside, coming towards me, we go up, on, knee. So it's like a little body roll with our right foot in front. So up, on, me. Now we're tired. So she goes, tired of saying sorry. So we're gonna step with our left foot front. We're gonna turn our head going from left to right. So counterclockwise, we're gonna go tired of. So up, we're back to the front. So tired of. Now, next we're gonna cover our mouth with our left hand. Bring our right hand out like a 1 of. So we're gonna go saying sorry. We're gonna go left, right, okay? So tired of saying sorry. At the same time, we're going left step, left step. We're going backwards. So again, we're going tired of saying sorry. Now next, we're gonna bring our right foot back so we're parallel. Our feet are parallel together, and we're gonna come here. We're gonna step with roll, roll. It's like a spin bag, and I'm spinning towards myself. See this? I'm spinning towards, not away, but towards myself. So we're gonna spin, 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 and then from here, we're gonna do a body roll with our left hand coming, kiss and make up. Now, let's start from that section again, real quick. So I'm gonna start from one last time where we just go time with our left hand across. So we're gonna go time and roll here and touch no body, and here put your hands up all on me. Now step, tired of saying sorry. Now step back, roll in, and come here. So now we've gotten that part. The next part is once we come here, we just rolled in. Next, we're gonna hit like an X up, X down. So we're gonna go X up, X down. But at the same time, my legs kind of do this thing. So it goes open, out, open, out. So we're gonna go out, up top, cross, down, here, okay? And then after this, we're gonna kind of do this like a part. I don't know what I'll call this. It's sort of like a cowboy move, if you wanna think about it. But you're coming here, and we're gonna go one here, one here. So let me try to bring that all back together. So we're gonna go out, close, out. Then we're gonna have a slight 1 count pause, and then we're gonna go close, and we're gonna, when we open, we go hit and hit. Notice how I'm turning slightly towards the left as I dance to this. So again, we're gonna come from here, roll, roll, and here. Now we go up and down, pause, close, and 1 and 2, close. Now we're gonna step, and like we're just quickly gonna bring our left arm down, and kind of like, hey buddy. So we're gonna come, bring it here, and then all up on me. She goes up all on me. So we're gonna go right and left. But now I'm tired again, so we're gonna go right to left this time, so it is clockwise. So we're gonna go turn and tired of, okay? And then we're gonna step back with our right foot and saying sorry, this time with our right hand covering our mouth, left hand out. We're gonna go right, left, right, left. Notice how I'm stepping right back, all right? So again, tired of saying sorry. Now bring your left foot back, and we're gonna do the same thing, but to the left side. We're gonna go roll in, and roll, body, roll. So we're almost done. Real quick, after we just came rolling in, and we come 1, 2. Now next, we're gonna come out. My right arm sticks out in front. I'm gonna come hit. So it's like a quick jump. It's a small jump up here. We're gonna go jump and over. So my arms meet together, and my left hand, my left leg comes behind my right, and then I'm gonna quickly step out with my left. We're gonna go out, in, out. So after we go out, in, out, we roll in. So we kind of bring this left hand here together, so, and this comes sliding in. And then we're gonna prop this up. We're gonna go hit right, left, right. So it's kind of like in this motion. So we start with right, left, right. Then we roll and make a diamond, kind of like this. I guess it's not much of a diamond, but like you bring your hands together like so, and we go hit here. Now we're gonna go to the right, and then we're gonna go same thing, bring your left hand out, left arm out. We're gonna go kind of a jump and cross. Notice how my right leg goes behind my left. Then we're gonna go bring it left stand, step out. We're gonna have our arm out, step in, come out. Now this time, same thing, we're gonna bring our left hand, left arm down, and it's going to pull in with our left leg. We're gonna pull in, roll, roll, hit, like we're hitting like kind of just like a slight tap on the mouth here. And we go look at the front, and I bring my right arm up like so, and then we're gonna go make, look up, up. And then we're back looking at the audience. And that is the dance. So I'm gonna review this really quick, and then we will jump right into dancing this. So we just came from Lisa's roll, 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 and here, body roll. Now we go out, and roll, and come up here, come here, and then we go body roll. Tired of step and step. Now we roll and body roll. Now we come jump and here, 1 and 2, bring it here, 3 and 4, roll it, diamond, and we go jump and here, out, roll and in, and up, down. So now we're going to 75%.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that is it for this tutorial. Don't forget to tag me if you guys do decide to cover this and post this on Instagram. I hope in the future I will make better self-choreos. This is just the start. This has only been my second time trying to do a self-choreo, so I'm not the best, but you know, it's always, you gotta start somewhere. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!